In this video, I compare CoinDCX and Wazirx to help you decide which Indian crypto exchange is the better choice. I will go over their trading features, fees, security, and overall usability based on my experience with both platforms. And let's start with the trading and features. So CoinDCX is beginner-friendly, offering spot trading with deep liquidity. And Wazirx, on the other hand, provides spot trading, futures, and a unique P2P feature for INR deposits and withdrawals. And what about fees and cost? Maybe this is one of the most important things in terms of exchanges. And CoinDCX has competitive fees, but slightly higher spreads on certain assets. And Wazirx, on the other hand, charges 0.2% trading fees, and its P2P feature allows users to deposit and withdraw INR without fees. So that can be really nice in terms of your rupees. And in terms of security and regulation, both exchanges are regulated and compliant with Indian crypto guidelines. And CoinDCX partners with top security providers, while Wazirx is backed by Binance, adding credibility as well. And let's make a final verdict on CoinDCX and Wazirx. So the best for spot trading and beginners, I would say CoinDCX is the best option for you, as it is really beginner friendly and amazing to get started with. And the best for P2P, INR transactions and futures trading, Wazirx is a lot better than CoinDCX. So if you want simple, reliable trading, CoinDCX is a great choice, also when you're just getting started. And if you are more experienced, and if you need P2P INR deposits and withdrawals or futures trading, Wazirx might be better suited for you. And let me know in the comments which platform you prefer, Wazirx or CoinDCX. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.